Today I just want to briefly let you know about some ABS wiring repair kits available here. So many times in my career as a technician, I've had those intermittent ABS circuit codes or false activation, and quite often you find that it's an issue with the wiring here. And now today we're working on a GM body vehicle, and these are very prone to that. Of course, as the spindle is pivoting on the ball joint here, this wire is flexing. Also, as the control arm moves up and down, that wire also pivots and flexes over at the frame where it's tied in. So that's where it's helpful to have this long extension pigtail piece here. For many years, I'd have to run my own wires and do my own wiring repair on these things. But now we've got this kit here, and it comes with approximately 2 feet worth of wiring, enough to get it back into the main part of the chassis. And we've got all the required anchors in place here. And so we can, just like it was from the factory, we can tie it down to the control arm and to the subframe. We can make our connections. We got some heat shrink connections there as well. And so we can really do a professional repair here. And now we can eliminate any of these suspected flex points in here. So next time you're working on a GM body and you've got those intermittent ABS faults, or you got something like this where you got a lot of grease sprayed in the connection there, go ahead, look up this harness, replace it. You won't be disappointed.